When you're starting with NordVPN, it can feel like there's a lot to take in, especially when you want to save money and stay secure. But don't worry. Here are the top 5 NordVPN tips for you beginners to help get the most out of your own subscription, save some cash, and stay safe online. 1. Choose the right plan. Annual plans save the most. Why it matters: NordVPN offers multiple pricing plans, and while the monthly plan is more expensive, the 1-year and 2-year plans are where you'll get the biggest savings. Tip ****, opt for the 2-year plan. If you can commit for the long term, you'll save up to 68% compared to paying month to month. Plus, it often includes extra months for free when there's a special deal. Watch for special deals and Black Friday discounts. NordVPN frequently offers discounts that can reduce the cost even further. Don't forget to use promo codes or cashback offers. Sometimes you can stack these with a sale. 2. Take advantage of the 30-day money-back guarantee. Why it matters: NordVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy with the service or just want to try it out, you can get a full refund. Tip ****, test out the speed, security, and streaming capabilities during the 30 days. If it doesn't meet your needs, cancel and get your money back, no questions asked. Make sure you fully test features like Netflix access and streaming performance, since those can vary depending on your location and the servers you connect to. 3. Enable threat protection for extra security, no extra cost. Why it matters: NordVPN has a built-in feature called threat protection, which offers additional protection without any extra charge. It blocks ads, malware, and even tracking scripts while you're online. This not only keeps your device more secure but also improves your browsing experience. Tip ***, turn on threat protection to prevent annoying ads and websites with harmful content. This is especially useful for blocking malware and phishing attacks when browsing less secure sites. This is available for all users and can be activated through the settings in the app, so you don't need to pay for third-party software. 4. Use split tunneling for bandwidth savings and flexibility. Why it matters: split tunneling lets you decide which apps or websites use the VPN and which don't. This is great for saving bandwidth and allowing apps that don't need a VPN, like streaming apps, to run without slowing down your connection. Tip ***, use split tunneling to only route heavy data apps, like torrenting, gaming, or secure browsing, through the VPN, while letting other apps, like Netflix or social media, use your regular connection. This can help save bandwidth and reduce any potential speed drops. This feature is available on both Windows and Android, and works great for streamers or gamers who need reliable speeds. 5. Set up NordVPN on multiple devices, 10 simultaneous connections. Now, why it matters: you don't just need NordVPN on your computer, you can use it on up to 10 devices at once: phones, tablets, laptops, etc. This makes it a great family-friendly solution and allows you to protect all your devices with one subscription. Tip ***, set up NordVPN on your router if you want to protect all devices connected to your Wi-Fi, even those that don't have VPN apps. This ensures every device in your house gets secured without needing individual installations. Also, consider using NordVPN on your mobile devices for security when using public Wi-Fi at coffee shops, airports, or school. Public networks are riskier, and using a VPN can save you from hackers or tracking. Bonus tip: always connect to the best server for your activity. Why it matters: NordVPN has thousands of ultra-fast VPN servers across 177 locations, which means there are a lot of options to choose from. But connecting to the best server for your needs, whether it's for streaming, speed, or privacy, will give you the best experience. Tip ***, use Quick Connect to have NordVPN automatically select the best available server. For streaming, choose a server that's close to the content's country, example a US server for Netflix US, a UK server for BBC iPlayer. For privacy and security, it's usually best to connect to a nearby server with minimal load. With these tips, you'll get maximum value out of your NordVPN subscription and stay secure online without wasting money.